Hello Squalane, welcome back to my channel Be That Diva. I hope you all are doing well. Now you must be wondering what is Squalane and why I use this word. Now to explain you in simple words, it can do wonders on your skin. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you 3 products from the new range of Pilgrim, and that is Secrets of Seville, Spain, and the hero ingredient is Squalane. I've been using this product personally and I just love their results. So without talking much, let's quickly jump into the video. But before that, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Pilgrim brings borderless beauty experiences from all over the world for your healthy hair and skin. They are cruelty-free, sulfate and paraben-free, toxin-free, 100% vegan, and it is a FDA-approved skincare brand. It is suitable for all the skin and hair types, and the best part is it is made in India. Squalane is naturally present in olives and it is a luxurious lightweight oil. You can give your skin an experience of satin smooth finish with this Spanish beauty secret. My skin has been really dull, tired and dehydrated because of my hectic work schedule. और जब भी आपकी skin dehydrated रहती है तो ना तो वो healthy लगेगी ना ही उसमें glow रहेगा, and hence hydration is so important for your skin. Now let me show you all the products one by one. So the first one is this Squalane foaming face wash. It is a gentle cleanser that leaves your skin soft and naturally glowing. Perfectly crafted to help remove dirt and makeup, it does not over dry and effectively retains natural oils. It has kiwi extract and vitamin B5 in it. It cleanses your skin without stripping essential oils from the face, fights impurities and deeply hydrates your skin by locking the moisture. Take 1 to 2 pumps, apply to pre-moistened skin. Gently massage for a couple of minutes using the brush in circular motion. Now, rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. You can use it twice a day for best results. The price for this face wash is only 350 rupees, and this has literally improved the texture of my skin. Moving ahead to the second product, after the face wash, I use Squalane Glow Moisturizer. It is an ultra hydrating repair blend, a rich gel cream with all the moisture and good fats your skin needs without leaving a greasy feel. I really love this product and I'll tell you why. इसमें Squalane, niacinamide and vitamin C है, और इन सारी चीज़ों का combination is a power pack combination for our skin. Vitamin C and niacinamide in this will brighten your skin. Squalane will moisturize and improve the texture of your skin, reduces dark spots and pigmentation. It will also reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply to face and neck after cleaning your face. Follow up with a broad spectrum sunscreen during the day. For the best results, use twice a day, morning and night. The price for this glow moisturizer is only 550 rupees, but it has so many benefits. Now the last product, which is not less than any other product, and that is 100% pure and natural Squalane oil. It hydrates and leaves your skin silky, soft and radiant, and the good thing is, unlike other face oils, it is non-greasy and doesn't clog your pores. It penetrates pores to balance oil production, revealing a clear complexion. It is a powerful hydrator that makes your skin soft and supple. It has hydrating and anti-aging properties that improves texture, leaving the skin velvety smooth and soft. Massage a few drops into clean and dry skin of face and neck. The price for this oil is only 500 rupees. है ना amazing? All these products are so affordable and worth investing. Now if you want smooth and hydrated skin, you can also get your hands on these amazing products. Also, you can use my coupon code, that is DIVA15, to get 15% discount on Pilgrim's website. I've mentioned all the links in the description box. You can go and check out. I hope today's video was useful to you, and I will see you soon with another video. Until next time, love.